Alright people, welcome back to another tutorial. This tutorial we're still on the theory aspect of it. We're going to discuss anchors today. It's fairly easy to understand. So I'm in my exercise files, and this exercise files is available to you, and I'm going to create a QML called a QML file called anchors. QML. This one we're going to do only with the QML just for speed sake. So I'm creating an anchors QML, opening it, and we're going to do only the QML file right now, just for speed sake, so that we can work with ease. But normally you will design your UIs like this. I was always going to the Python for two reasons: to show those who one, to show you how this UI gets called by the Python app itself, and two, just in case someone does not have QML scene yet. After all this while, the person couldn't get access to QML scene. That means those on Mac, those on Linux couldn't get access to it. They'll be able to run it, the app still, from the Python app. That's why, because normally you build most parts of the UI, almost all of it, plain as a UI before you connect it and bind it. I think it's only the binding part of it where you work with data from the Python app. That's when you need to be connected to the Python, and you can build completely your graphics and your animations and everything. You can even do some amount of data. We're going to talk about that under this theoretical part of it. So yes, I'm going to do a rectangle, width 460, height 20, and the proportion is wrong. Let me do a dodge of blue, and I'm going to give this guy a color. I have a color sheet that comes with the exercise files. It's over here. I will take one color, the stone. Where am I? And paste it. Yeah, I just want to preview this now in this guy. So I'll run my QML scene. I'll go to my folder where I have Miniconda installed. I'll go to, sorry if you couldn't hear me, I'll go to where I have Miniconda installed, and then I will search for PyQt. So I'll search for PyQt, PyQt 5, Qt, QML scene. I just copy the link, cd, paste the link, and do a QML scene, and I run going to exercise files. For the video number, it's not video 3, but for exercise files, it's exercise 03. Just copy and paste and run it, and now we have just, yeah, this is what we have, just one blue guy stuck to the side. Sorry. Stuck to that side. So we're going to start with the anchor. The first one I want to talk about is the anchor with center in. It takes an item, okay, and the item, the parent item, is such a name, and this is a name like this, but it's not like sibling or anything. This refers to the particular element, and this is a parent. We'll discuss it first. So here we have a parent. There's nothing complex about it though. So here we have the parent. It takes the item parent, and we're centering in. Now if you run it, you can see it's centered in. It's fully centered. And then we have anchors, the horizontal center. That one takes an anchor line. So the center took a parent. Now this one takes a center line. So it's parent dot horizontal center, right? Anchors the horizontal center, and now you can see that it used to be here, start to the top. Anyway, So yes, you can guess if there's horizontal center, there's also vertical center, where sometimes you need to get the spelling correct. Now you can see it's also centered vertical. And then there's now instead of doing this, you can also do this anchors, this, and then just do a vertical center is to parent the vertical center, which allows you to do more than one. So then I could have also done horizontal center, it's called a parent horizontal center, right? Now you can see now I have both of them, horizontal center and combined. But the more of it, there is something called left, where I'm snapping the left of this guy to the parent or horizontal center. You can see I'm snapping the left of this guy to the center of the parent, the horizontal center. You can't snap it to the vertical center. You can snap the left to the vertical center. You can snap the bottom or the top to the, I will snap the bottom, the parent, the vertical center, and I can snap this top or bottom also to the horizontal center. It's just one way, because it doesn't allow you to snap a horizontal alignment to vertical. So now you can see I'm snapping the bottom to the vertical center. Now I'll show you what I want to show you. So yes, like I've been showing you, there's a left, you can snap it to parent the right, as pragmatic is parent or left, but this is the normal one, this is the default one. This it's not even the default, it's how things are laid out. So you can snap the right to parent the right, which is if you wanted to, instead of, the default is when the blue is over here where my mouse cursor, and you want it to snap. Maybe there are lots of elements you want one to snap over there, right? Before you do the right margin, I think I got my spelling correct. Right margin. Then this one takes a float, right? Not a float, but an integer. And now you can see I have a margin of 14. Sorry, normally you do it in multiples of 4, so 12, 16, 32. I give it 36, so it's huge. You can see over there. If I should go ahead and do a top margin, it won't work. Remember what I said, a top margin of 36. It's not going to work because I have not done anchors.top, but I have it. It doesn't have a top anchor, but I have a right anchor, so I just go and do ahead and do a top anchor, period, top, and all of a sudden it's working, which is very beautiful. And the last word I want to talk about is the fill. And yes, you can see we have a width and a height, which is going to disrespect all. The field also takes an item instead of an anchor line. All the dot horizontal center were all anchor lines. Just replace the width and the height. Now you can see our blue little button has filled the parent beautifully. Well, you're going to see this codes, or almost, you're going to see these codes. Most of them, the ones that are very famous, are the centers in the field, the horizontal center. You're going to see them all the time, and also the right anchor, you're going to see it all the time. So yes, see ya. And sometimes also the bottom anchor, we do it all the time. So see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye. SIS files again will be made available to you.